How to fix formula bar not showing in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your spreadsheet or your Microsoft Excel. The process is just the same. After that, go to View. Now, simply go to Show. Here you will see several options. First, you can see there is no formula bar right here. Now, in order to show it, go to View, Show, and then select the formula bar. Now you can see the formula bar is right over here. If you want to hide it, the process is just the same. Simply go to View, again go to Show, and then uncheck formula bar, and done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.